So we'll be talking about the text to image AI platform that's Canva tool that Canva has just recently um, put on its platform. So let's see. Obviously there are other platforms that can do it like Midjourney and a couple others, right? But the idea with Canva's own is that it allows you to have this, all in one suite, which is what I like because I don't necessarily need to go to another platform, go download, go prompt an image, download it, then upload it to Canva. Then, it's kind of convenient, to use Canva to kind of use the text to image. So, but without further ado, let's check it out, okay? So we move over to basically canva.com, your apps text to image. I will show you in a bit basically how to go about it, but here's just a brief more explanation about it. So you can see a panda solving a wave, and once you put the prompt, just similar to Midjourney. For those that don't know, Midjourney is a platform that basically does the same thing that this what I'm showing you does. You put in the text of what you want or the prompt of the image that you want, and it will give you options that you can use. So basically, yeah, let me see dynamic QR codes. I'm trying to, so yeah, text to images is a type what you like to see and what you come to life. There's usually a page I like to go to that kind of, oh, back to you. Okay, so try that now. Go to your project. No, let me start new design. So you could just go for the Instagram post. Yep. Which one? Okay, I think I clicked on the portrait. I wanted to go for the square. Okay, let me see. Yep. Okay, this was the portrait. I think I still click on portrait, but it doesn't matter. So the idea of this is for Canva, it is free. So you can use text to image for free on Canva. You don't have to have a professional account. That's a good thing. And also you could access the text to image over where I'm about to show you. So if you're on this platform, like on this part of Canva, you want to access it directly, you just go over to apps, right? Then you scroll down to, where is it? Yeah, text to image. Okay. And once you click it, it will pop up. So you can see there are different examples. You either put it manually. It's best to know the image size that you want, because you will see in a minute that you could differentiate the different aspect ratio, whether you want square, landscape, or portrait. So it's best to know the image size that you want up front. So let's try an example. Okay, so let's see red painted cottage on a remote island, and it will ask you what style do you want, right? It has multiple styles, whether you want photography, vibrant, neon, do you want digital art, gradient, anime. So let's try the anime version. So red painted cottage on a remote island. We select the aspect ratio. I go with square. So you click on create your image, and it basically will give you 4 different variations of the particular prompts that you gave it. And if it's not something you're comfortable with, if you don't like any one of them, you can just click the option to redo it over here, create again, and to start it. So as you can see, it kind of has this, I like this, it has this JoJo feel. So you can see, granted, right, the image quality may not be as high as that of what's it called, of Midjourney's own, okay, but it's still pretty decent, and I'm sure it's going to improve over time. The convenience, like I said, is one of the things I enjoy, because I get to do everything on this platform. So here you have it. If you want to add an image, so if you're not comfortable with it, you can click on create again to show you another 4 sets. Currently it has a limit of 100 images per day, so that is 25 times that you can prompt, because it brings out 4 images and counts it as 4 separate images. So basically, yeah, here's another 4. So anyone you want, you put it. Then if you want to add a text to it, you can add text, basically like your normal design, and do what you want to do with it. So yeah, there you have it. Let me see. Yeah, basically that's it, right? Straightforward, like anything you want, right? We could try another thing. Let's give it another shot. Again, go to apps, we move over to text to image. Let's see, start over. Let's try an example. Cute adorable little. Okay, so let me create a new page. Let me change it, use a different style this time around. Let me use the concept art, for example, and yeah, let's same square, create your image, and it's working. That's basically how it is. There's no, it's straightforward. Okay, and the more specific, just like with any AI image, the more specific you are, the better the output that you're going to get. So you can see this is pretty good, right? This is pretty good. So you can see the quality of this is also yep, this is also good. And there you have it. Okay, so that is basically how to apologies about that. So that is basically how to use the Canva text to image. I hope you found this useful, and let me know your thoughts, and let me know what you'll be going to be using this. Okay, I hope you have found it valuable, and I will see you next time.